that rich heritage as Comrade Chinx. And that is why we are here today. You know, a lot of us, when we are in our jobs out there, we want to celebrate people when they are late and gone. But we as Zimbabwe Music Awards said, no, we are not going to do that. Yes, a lot of things have been said and spoken about us. Hey, Magara 3 years, goody, goody. Anyone who's ever built a house knows the challenges that go with building houses. You get to phase 1, you have to go back to city council, it has to be signed off. Phase 2, now you need the plumbing, you need this done, and you keep going like that. But with each stage of building a house, my goodness, there's always a cost that comes with it. It goes up and up and up. Initially, as the Zimbabwe Music Awards in 2014, as we were honoring Comrade Chinx with his Lifetime Achievement Award, our chairman, Mr. Zaza, who has a compassion, who loves the music arts so much, felt it upon himself to add on the normal criteria of what we give to our winners during that particular gala, to say, no, let us go beyond and above and show Zimbabwe just who we are and how we honor our people. Let's build a house for a very worthy man, Comrade Chinx. We started building that house in 2015. Yes, we had a few bumps here and there, but you know what? The Lord is powerful. We then managed to find sponsors who came on board, well-wishers, who thought, you know what, you as Zima cannot do this alone. Let us join hands together and support this worthy cause. And that is why we are here today. A great day indeed, and the weather has just been so fantastic, isn't it? So that's why we are here today as the Zimbabwe Music Awards, to honor the legacy, the living legend, Comrade Chinx. At this particular moment, I'm going to call upon our chairman, Mr. Zaza, to come and say a few words. That's what I'm going to